ikaw ay isang online seller, freelancer, info product coach, o may sariling business with a Facebook page at gusto mong maging consistent, responsive, at automated ang negosyo mo, then this is for you. Pagod ka na rin ba sa paulit-ulit na tanong sa Facebook page mo? Yung tipong ang dami nang nag-inquire pero hindi mo maasikaso lahat kasi ang dami mong ginagawa. Tapos, pag na-check mo ulit yung inbox mo, ayun, sin mode na lang. Oo, gets kita. Kasi ako rin dumaan dyan. Alam mo, sayang yung mga potential sales. Pero paano ka naman makakapag-reply sa lahat? Ikaw lang mag-isa. Nag-aasikaso ka ng orders, nagpo-post ng promos, nag-aalaga ng bata, or may Zoom call ka pa. So sabog ang oras mo. At habang busy ka, yung ibang customer, lumipat na sa iba. Kung ikaw ay isang online seller, freelancer, info product coach, o may sariling business with a Facebook page at gusto mong maging consistent, responsive, at automated ang negosyo mo, then this is for you. Meet IntelliChat Pro, your new business assistant na hindi mo kailangang swelduhan. This tool helps you automatically reply to messages and comments kahit tulog ka. You can set it up in minutes, walang coding, drag and drop lang. Pwede mong i-connect lahat ng Facebook pages mo in one dashboard. Mag-send ka ng follow-ups, capture leads, tag users, and reply to comments automatically. Kumbaga, para ka ng may mini customer service team na nagtatrabaho sa'yo 24/7. Ang maganda, napaka-affordable niya compared sa ibang chatbot na meron sa market ngayon. So click the button below now to start your free 14-day trial. This might just be the smartest move you'll make for your business this year.